Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a quick and easy Vienna sausage, garlic, and vegetable stir fry. So let's get started. Okay, here we have a quarter cup of soy sauce, and to that we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And we're going to mix that up. Okay. Yeah, now we're going to set our burner to medium. And we're going to put a little oil in the pan here. And we're going to let that warm up. Okay, our pan's heated up. So now we're going to take our Vienna sausages here. And we're going to put them right in there. I stir them around a little bit. Now that was 2 cans of Vienna sausage. I was going to chop them up, but I figured I'd leave them whole. Okay, let's cover them and let them cook a little bit, maybe 2 minutes. Okay, let's give them a check. Okay, they're starting to look pretty good. Okay, let's cover them and let that go maybe another minute. Okay, let's see how we're doing here. It's been about another minute. Okay, they're looking pretty good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take them out of there. Yep, they're looking good. And we'll put them aside for a minute. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our garlic here. 2 tablespoons of garlic, minced garlic. We're going to put that right in there. Going to lower our heat. Boy, there's nothing like the smell of garlic cooking in a pan. Tasty. Okay, now we're going to add some butter. I'm going to stir that in and melt it. We just want to brown our garlic lightly and get that butter going. Nice. The flavor that this adds is really awesome. Beautiful. Okay, now that that's done, we're going to add our sausages back in there. Yep, you heard me. I put the sausages back in. Vienna sausage. And we're going to stir them around a little and get that mixed up. Get those garlic flavors and butter going. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, I think we're about done here. They're coated pretty nice. And it add a lot of flavor to the pan here. So now we're going to take them back out of there, yep. With some of the garlic. Boy, that smells really good. I wish you could smell that because it smells really good. Yep, okay. Now we're going to add a little more oil to the pan here. And we're going to crank our heat back up. And we're going to add our vegetables. Beautiful. And we're going to stir fry them and soften them up a bit with that garlic that's in there and everything. Beautiful. Boy, this is going to be tasty, I can tell already. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to let them steam a little bit, so we're going to cover them and let them get a little tender. Alright, it's been about 2 minutes. Let's see how we're doing. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Okay, let's cover that for another minute. Okay, it's been another minute. Let's give them a check. Oh yeah, that's much better. Okay. Now we're going to add maybe 2 ounces of water or so. And we're going to take our pasta noodles or egg noodles, whatever you have. And we're going to put those right in there. Now this is about 1/4 pound, so we might not use them all. And we're going to mix that in. Water chestnut, beautiful. Okay, now we're going to add our Vienna sausages back in there. Yep, I'm going to put all those in there. Beautiful. We don't want to forget anything, so we're going to scrape out some of our garlic. Now we're going to stir that in. Boy, you should smell the garlic. It's beautiful. Okay, to that we're going to add our soy sauce, but don't forget to stir it up. Get that cornstarch mixed in there. Okay. And we're going to pour that right in there. And we're going to lower our heat. Boy, you should smell this. That soy in there is really nice. Okay, that looks pretty good. It's about done. Beautiful. Okay, now all we have to do is plate that up and give it a taste test. Now it doesn't need any salt, but I am going to put a little pepper on top. And you can put a little more garlic if you want. And that's what I'm going to do, put some little bit more garlic. And yeah, we're going to add some sesame seeds right here. Put those on top. Okay, now we're done. Boy, does that look good. Well, there you have it, guys. A quick and easy Vienna sausage, garlic, and vegetable stir fry. Boy, does that look good there. Okay, now for the vegetables we have broccoli, Italian green beans, carrots, baby corn cobs, although I haven't seen any of those. They must be hiding in there. Water chestnuts and red bell peppers. Boy, that sounds good. And we put a little sesame seed on top, and it looks really nice. Alright, let's just have a little bite. Get a piece of sausage. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Vienna sausage never tasted this good. I'm going to tell you that right now. This is really tasty. Yeah, you know what would go good with that right there? A nice chilled glass of wine. Yeah, that sounds good. and bring over some friends, because you're going to need help eating all this. Yep. Mmm. Good.